Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and welcome back to another honest take on a beauty product that's been making the rounds. The LAURA GELLER New York Jelly Balm Moisturizing Tinted Lip Balm. If you're anything like me, always on the hunt for that low-maintenance, high-reward lip product that actually treats your lips, well, while giving you a little color boost. This one might have already caught your eye. Priced at $20, it's definitely a step up from your average drugstore balm, and I'll be totally transparent about whether it lives up to the hype. I've been testing it for a couple of weeks now through winter chills, coffee runs, and everything in between, and it's sparked some real thoughts. From the packaging to the wear, the ingredients to the vibe it gives off, I'm breaking it all down. The good, the not so perfect, and the unexpectedly clutch moments. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into whether this lip balm is worth a splurge or just another pretty tube in a crowded market. Okay. So I first grabbed the LAURA GELLER New York Jelly Balm Moisturizing Tinted Lip Balm because I was so over lip products that either dried out my lips or felt like I was wearing heavy makeup. I wanted something in between, not a full coverage lipstick, not a sticky gloss, and definitely not one of those balms that's all moisture and zero color. This one, it hits that sweet spot. The texture is honestly incredible. It's got this creamy, almost whipped feel that glides on like butter. The jelly part in the name made me think it'd be slippery or greasy, but nope. It's lightweight, melts into your lips instantly, and leaves behind this gorgeous semi-shine finish. It's like your lips but better, hydrated, smooth, and just tinted enough to look put together, even on days when you're in sweatpants and zero motivation. One of the things I really appreciate is how moisturizing it is. I have to be honest, my lips have been kind of a mess lately. Windburn from winter, a little chapped, and honestly, I've been licking them too much. Bad habit, I know. But this balm actually helps. I can feel it working the second I apply it. It's rich without being heavy, and it doesn't flake or settle into creases. A lot of tinted balms claim to hydrate, but end up making dry patches look worse. But this one genuinely feels like a treatment. I've worn it under other lipsticks as a base, overnight as a mask, layered on thick. And even after exfoliating when my lips are super sensitive. It's gentle, soothing, and the vitamin E and squalane in the formula makes such a difference. No stinging, no irritation, just softness. And as someone who's pretty cautious with what I put on my skin, that's a huge win for me. Now, the color payoff, this is where people might have different experiences, and I'll be real with you. I got Brick House, which is this warm, muted terracotta shade, and it gives me that my lips but elevated vibe. It's buildable, so if you want a sheer wash of color, one swipe is enough. But if you're going for something more defined, you can layer it up. I've worn it on low-key days with no other makeup, and still felt like I looked polished. That said, the color doesn't last forever. If you're the type who drinks coffee all day, or eats a full meal, you'll definitely need to reapply. The balm part stays, but the pigment fades over time. And I'll admit, I'm not 100% in love with how it behaves at the edges. It can migrate a little, especially after a few hours. I've started using a basic nude liner underneath, and that helps keep in place without changing the natural look. So, yeah, it's not the longest wearing tint, but for a moisturizing balm, I think the trade-off is fair. I've taken this with me on weekend trips, thrown it in my bag for errands, and even used it as part of a polished office look. It's super versatile. On days when I want zero fuss, I slap it on and go. It gives that healthy, I take care of myself, glow without screaming. I spend an hour on my makeup. But it also works under office lighting or in photos. The semi-shine is flattering, not greasy, and it doesn't look too shiny or too flat. I've worn it to brunch, meetings, even a first date. Shout out to the confidence boost. And it's never felt out of place. The tube is sleek and compact, so it's easy to toss in a makeup bag or clutch. Honestly, I think it's perfect for anyone who wants that effortless, capsule wardrobe kind of beauty product. Simple, elegant, and functional. But let's talk about the price. $20 is definitely not drugstore balm territory. And I'll admit, when I saw the cost, I had my doubts. Is it that much better than a $6 balm? The answer, for me, mostly yes. The formula is high quality, the ingredients are clean and effective, and it just feels luxurious. It's not over-scented, which I love. Some balms smell like fake fruit candy and make me gag, but this one has a very light, almost undetectable scent. That attention to detail makes a difference. That said, I wouldn't buy this if I were on a tight budget. There are definitely dupes out there for less. But if you're someone who values skincare benefits, hates sticky finishes, and wants a balm that doubles as subtle color, I think the investment makes sense. It's not something I'd use daily if I had 5 of them, but as a go-to for when I want to look put together without trying too hard, worth it. Overall, this has become one of my favorite lip products. Not because it's perfect, but because it does exactly what it promises. It moisturizes, it tints, it shines just enough, and it makes my lips feel cared for. It's not a replacement for a bold lipstick or an intensely long-wearing tint, but it's not trying to be. It's the kind of product that makes you feel good in your skin, even on days when your energy is low. I can already tell I'm going to collect more shades. A Latte Love looks stunning on deeper skin tones and figure than life. Has this gorgeous berry undertone that would be amazing in the fall. If you've been searching for that elusive middle ground between balm and lipstick, stop scrolling. This might just be your holy grail. If your lips could talk, they'd be begging for this balm. So do them a favor and hit that like button. If you're all about that low maintenance glow, smash subscribe for more real deal beauty gems. Let's keep the good vibes and soft lips rolling gorgeous.